What's up everyone? I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are doing a little bit of upgrade to our brake system, as you saw from the beginning of the clip. So let's go ahead and get started. So I bought a set of front and rear slotted rotor from StopTech, along with the StopTech brake pads and Science B stainless steel brake line. I'm also going to repaint the caliper as well. Okay, so all the wheels are off, and after a quick inspection of the rotors, as you can see, it is pretty rusty. There's a lot of grease mark on the rotor as well, so it was about time to get these replaced. So let's go ahead and get them out and then put in the new ones. so the rear brake was actually a little bit more tricky, especially in removing the brake line. There's actually two bolts holding it. This one holding right here, and then this one lower it. But in order to access the lower one, you have to remove this metal cover, which is held on by two 10mm bolt, one right here, and then one on top. And then once you got that, you should be able to take it off. And then you should be able to access the lower bolt that's holding this bracket right here for the brake line. Alright, so I got all the brake line out, all the caliper and the bracket out. So now it's going to clean up real quick, and then we're going to prep it for painting. So I have cleaned the caliper and the caliper bracket to my best ability. There's still a lot of dirt, but once we spray paint this, it's going to look a whole lot newer. So at this point, I got the caliper and the brake line out of the car. We're going to go ahead and put on the new rotors. So I got all the rotors in. Next I'm going to prep the caliper and then get it ready for painting. I went ahead and masked all the area that I don't want the paint to be on the caliper. I'm going to mainly focus on painting the outer side of the caliper and the brackets, just because that's where the area that's exposed the most, and that's where you kind of see looking from outside. And so we're going to go ahead and finish masking off the rest. Alright, so we finished painting the calipers. In the meantime, while we wait for it to dry, we're going to put the brake line in, and then once that completely dry, we're going to go ahead and install the caliper back into the car. So at this point I have everything installed back into the car. The last step we need to do is just bleed the brake and we should be all set.